Mbuyamole. Your Excellency, asante sana kwa kufika hapa. Kwa majina ni Gisairo Engoko. Wanapenda kuimba wimbo moja yangu. Engoko ya buga. Your Excellency, hiyo ni wimbo ya kuku na ndio ilisumbua mwenzangu Mose. Lakini ni rafiki yangu mkubwa and we are working together. Because what we want is development for our people. We thank you kwa kutufungulia hii barabara na tunaomba kwamba itafanywa kwa haraka kwa maana mvua hapa inasumbua watu wetu. Kitu kingine, Your Excellency, kuna hospitali pale Keroka. National government imeweka pesa sana na tungeomba kwamba you think about it, complete it, the next time unafika hapa you launch it. Tutashukuru sana. Jambo lingine nilikuwa nataka kuongelea, umelisema. I'm very passionate about Tibet. In Parliament I sit in Committee of Education na niligundua kwamba you also have a passion for Tibet. We share that passion. Hii ya Kitutuma Saba, nimeshukuru. Hizo computer umetupatia. CS is here. I will follow up with him to make sure it's implemented. Lakini ningeomba pia kwamba kwa hiyo mtusaidie kwamba it offers more courses. I personally, hata kwa kupitia CDF, we gave more funds to the students going to the Tibet. Vijana wako wameelewa. Yesterday I took my time to explain to them umuhimu wa Tibet. Because skill based ndio itasaidia wa vijana wetu. So, Your Excellency, nimeshukuru sana kwamba ulitikia wito wetu kufika hapa. Tunakuombea afya njema.
Excellency, today we are so happy here at Rigoma. This is the market where you have come severally. And indeed, the barabara ambayo you have come to launch, when we were with you, you did it. And you came to Nyangori, you launched the water. It went to Keroka. There was a return pipe which was to come down so that our people can enjoy. That water has not yet, and I know you are going to raise it from where it is, Your Excellency. Finally, Your Excellency, I want to thank you. Huyu mtu ambaye anaitwa Shadrack Mose. Wagiriu hapa, one of the shops around there. This is where he was staying while he was in school, and I was one of them. So what you have done, Lord, I want to thank you so much. This is grateful, and may the Lord be with you. And we have accepted, even you are on the other side, we are going to work with you and walk with you. May Lord bless you. Thank you so much.